here's your 347 small block Ford. Just got done running it. Give you a description of this combination. It's got our heads on it. It's got a custom grind hydraulic roller. Got your rear sump oil pan. Obviously, you send in your tunnel ram and carburetors. Had to do a good bit of work on your carburetors, but got them tuned in for you. Your distributor, so everything's good. Take you in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, 3,500, 385 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 414, peak horsepower 428, right at 425, so everything's good. Get her off there in a crate, come your way, have a great day.